Have you ever wondered which Jaguars stand out as the most reliable? Well, wonder no more. In this video, we'll dive into the world of Jaguar automobiles to uncover the top 10 most reliable models. From sleek sedans to powerful SUVs, Jaguar has a rich history of crafting luxury vehicles that blend style and performance. So, without further ado, let's begin. Number 1. 2017 Jaguar F-Type. Kicking off our list is the 2017 Jaguar F-Type, a true successor to the iconic E-Type. Boasting sleek lines and a powerful presence, the F-Type commands attention on the road. With options ranging from a spirited 2.0-liter inline-4 bi-turbo to a roaring 5.0-liter V8, this beauty offers performance in abundance. And let's not forget the limited edition Project 7, a rare gem coveted by enthusiasts worldwide. With accolades from J.D. Power and Edmunds, the 2017 F-Type proves reliability can coexist with exhilaration. Number 2. 2012-2014 Jaguar XK. Next up, we have the 2012-2014 Jaguar XK, a testament to Jaguar's commitment to excellence. With a lineage traced back to its Top Gear awarded predecessor, the XK blends performance and luxury effortlessly. Whether cruising down the highway or tackling winding roads, this GT marvels at every turn. And with stellar ratings from Edmunds, the XK proves its mettle as a reliable companion on any journey. Number 3. 2005 Jaguar X-Type. Moving along, we encounter the 2005 Jaguar X-Type, a trailblazer in Jaguar's lineup. Breaking barriers as Jaguar's first all-wheel drive production car, the X-Type set a new standard for elegance and performance. Its refined styling and spirited performance captivate drivers, earning acclaim from critics and consumers alike. With rave reviews from Cars.com, Edmunds, and RepairPal, the X-Type secures its place among Jaguar's most reliable offerings. Number 4. 2017 Jaguar XE. Venturing into the sedan segment, we explore the 2017 Jaguar XE, a paragon of sophistication and reliability. With a choice of potent engines and timeless design cues, the XE exudes confidence on every drive. Garnering praise for its reliability from J.D. Power, the XE proves that luxury need not compromise dependability. As it gracefully exits the U.S. market, the 2017 XE leaves behind a legacy of style and substance. Number 5. 2005 Jaguar S-Type. Now let's turn our attention to the 2005 Jaguar S-Type, a blend of elegance and performance. With refined engines and impeccable styling, the S-Type captivates discerning drivers seeking a luxurious ride. Boasting long-distance comfort and impressive reliability, the 2005 S-Type earns accolades from Edmunds, cementing its status as a timeless classic. Number 6. 2009 Jaguar XJ Portfolio. Stepping into the realm of luxury sedans, we encounter the 2009 Jaguar XJ Portfolio, a pinnacle of opulence and performance. With a supercharged V8 engine and sporty suspension, the XJ Portfolio delivers exhilarating performance with every press of the pedal. Praised for its reliability by U.S. News and Edmunds, the XJ Portfolio redefines luxury motoring with unmatched refinement. Number 7. 2013-2015 Jaguar XFR XFRS. Embracing the thrill of high-performance driving, we unveil the 2013-2015 Jaguar XFR XFRS. With a potent supercharged V8 engine and aggressive styling, the XFRS commands respect on the road. Despite initial reliability concerns, later model years receive praise for their dependability, making them sought-after gems for enthusiasts craving power and poise. Number 8. 2019 Jaguar F-Pace. Turning our gaze to the realm of SUVs, we encounter the 2019 Jaguar F-Pace, a fusion of practicality and performance. With a range of powertrains and advanced safety features, the F-Pace redefines the luxury SUV segment. Garnering high reliability ratings from U.S. News and J.D. Power, the 2019 F-Pace offers peace of mind without compromising on style or capability. Number 9. 1994-1997 Jaguar XJ6. Delving into Jaguar's illustrious history, we revisit the 1994-1997 Jaguar XJ6, a symbol of timeless elegance and refinement. With a range of engines and luxurious appointments, the XJ6 epitomizes Jaguar's commitment to luxury motoring. Praised for its reliability and performance, the XJ6 remains a coveted classic among enthusiasts and collectors alike. Number 10. 2017 present Jaguar E-Pace. Concluding our journey, we encounter the 2017 present Jaguar E-Pace, a testament to Jaguar's evolution in the modern era. Built on a platform shared with Land Rover, the E-Pace offers versatility and performance in a compact package. Despite minor reliability issues, the E-Pace showcases Jaguar's commitment to innovation and excellence in every mile traveled. And there you have it, the top 10 most reliable Jaguars of all time. From sleek sports cars to versatile SUVs, Jaguar has a rich history of crafting vehicles that combine performance, luxury, and dependability. If you enjoyed this video, then don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button for more amazing content. Thanks for watching.
What makes a vehicle truly enduring? Is it the strength of its build or the reliability of its engine? Imagine a car that can weather the test of time, conquering rugged terrains and clocking miles upon miles without falter. Welcome to the world of Land Rover, where resilience meets innovation. Today, we embark on a journey through the annals of automotive history to uncover the top 5 most reliable Land Rover engines. So, buckle up as we delve into the heart of Land Rover's legacy, where power meets perseverance. Number 1. Rover 8. Let's kick off our exploration with a classic, the Rover 8 engine. Born from a collaboration between Land Rover and General Motors, this powerhouse made its debut in the 1960s. Originally a 215 cubic centimeter V8 from Buick, it underwent British craftsmanship to emerge as the robust 3.5-liter V8, delivering 158 horsepower. Initially gracing the P5B, this engine found its way into iconic models like the Range Rover series. Despite the transition to fuel-injected engines, the Rover 8's legacy endures, with vintage enthusiasts cherishing its reliability and longevity. Number 2. The 3.9-liter V8. Now, let's delve deeper into the legacy of the 3.9-liter V8, a true testament to endurance in the world of Land Rover engines. Emerging as the successor to its Buick-inspired predecessor, this powerhouse left an indelible mark on Land Rover's storied history. With 182 horsepower and 232 pound-feet of torque, it became the heartbeat of various Land Rover models from 1989 to 1998. Whether traversing rocky terrains or navigating urban landscapes, the 3.9-liter V8 demonstrated unwavering reliability and performance. Its presence under the hoods of vehicles like the Defender and Discovery elevated it to legendary status among enthusiasts. Beyond its power, it was the engine's ability to withstand the test of time that truly distinguished it. Owners recount tales of adventure and exploration, with vintage Range Rovers proudly displaying their high mileage as a badge of honor. In the annals of Land Rover history, the 3.9-liter V8 stands tall as a symbol of endurance and reliability, earning the admiration of adventurers worldwide. Number 3. The mighty 4.6-liter V8. Enter the mighty 4.6-liter V8, a powerhouse renowned for its unmatched power and steadfast dependability. Introduced in 1995, this engine represented the pinnacle of Land Rover engineering, boasting an impressive 222 horsepower and 300 pound-feet of torque. Its arrival signaled a new era of capability and performance for Range Rover HSE models. Equipped with the 4.6-liter V8, these vehicles conquered rugged terrains and towing tasks with ease, showcasing the engine's formidable capabilities. Owners of 4.6-equipped HSE models marveled at its reliability, with many surpassing the 100,000-mile mark without skipping a beat. Reviews echoed the sentiment of enthusiasts worldwide, praising the engine's power, efficiency, and minimal maintenance requirements. From off-road adventures to daily commutes, the 4.6-liter V8 proved itself as a reliable companion, instilling confidence in drivers across the globe. Number 4. Supercharged 4.2-liter V8. In a league of its own is the supercharged 4.2-liter V8, defying the stereotype of forced induction engines with its exceptional reliability. Unveiled in 2008 and 2009 Range Rover Sport models, this powerhouse boasts unmatched performance, outclassing its naturally aspirated counterpart. With 390 horsepower and 410 lb-ft of torque, it commands the road with authority while retaining its reliability. Owners shower praise on its dependability, with reviews lauding its luxury and minimal maintenance, cementing its status as a standout among Land Rover engines. Number 5. TD5 Turbo Diesel. Rounding off our list is the TD5 Turbo Diesel, a testament to Land Rover's innovation in diesel technology. Debuting in 1998, this 5-cylinder engine found its home in Defender's and Discovery Series 2 models, earning acclaim for its reliability and performance. Despite initial teething issues, refinements over the years solidified its reputation as one of Land Rover's most dependable motors. Owners praise its resilience, recounting adventures through the toughest terrains with unwavering reliability, showcasing the true spirit of Land Rover engineering. The heart of every Land Rover beats with the resilience and dependability of its engine. From classic V8s to modern powerhouses, each motor embodies the spirit of adventure and endurance that defines the Land Rover legacy. If you found this video informative, then don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more amazing content. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in our next video.